Hi everyone, it's Beck from Britsent. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit more about the schwa. Are you ready? Let's begin. You remember from last time that the words survive, purpose and police all contain the same sound. That sound is the schwa or sound. Survive, purpose, police. You might recall that the schwa is the most common vowel sound in the English language. It sounds a bit like and it's never stressed. We talked about common places we might find a schwa, such as at the end of words where we have an ER. For example, farmer. Today we'll be looking at other letters that it can replace and also similar sounds. The schwa might appear in the place of any of the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U, or in the place of vowel sounds. For example, about, brother, president, memory, supply. And occasionally it might appear in the place of a Y, like in pajamas. The schwa also exists in the word rhythm, where there is no vowel for the sound that is used. So we talked about a schwa being used to replace a vowel sound in a part of the word that's not stressed. Today we will talk about the different ways that vowel sounds can be pronounced. Notice the difference, for example, between about, access, and party. They all contain the letter A, but the sound is totally different. We have the unstressed schwa in about, short A in access, and long A in party. When you see the phonemic transcription in the dictionary of a word, there's a little mark or a dash which shows you where the word should be stressed. For example, brother, supply. There's a similar sound to a schwa, but this sound can be stressed, and it's represented by this symbol. This sound is very often mispronounced in English because the same sound appears in words that are spelled very, very differently. Blood, government, money, product, construct, mud. Compare that last word with the word mood. We say blood, but mood. So it's important to learn the pronunciation of words where the letters do not represent the sound. The schwa can also sound like a short version of the vowel which appears in words such as determine, perfect, return. So as you can see, there are other sounds which might seem similar to the schwa. We use the schwa to make words easier to say and therefore make our speech a bit faster. One of the most important uses for this is with weak forms in connected speech. For example, I'm going to becomes I'm gonna, I can becomes more like can, I can do it. Kind of becomes kinda. What kind of food do you like? The best way to learn to use the schwa is to recognize it in a phonemic script so that you know when a word contains a schwa. Make a note when you hear your teacher say it in a word and try to copy the same pronunciation. That's all for today. Bye. About, access, party, brother, supply, blood, government, money, product, return, determine, perfect, construct, mud.